Thank you so much for joining live SG level logic free webinar by Rajendra Agarwal sir. Myself Dinesh, I would be the host for this webinar. Uh, First and foremost, this is our first webinar. So if 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 we make any mistakes or if you have any feedbacks, please do feel free to share it with us via email or probably end of the meeting or by tweeting us in Twitter. Okay, just few ground rules. Let me remind again. Please put yourself on mute and turn off your video while we go with the presentation. Mm, okay, and another thing, just in case, guys, if the Zoom session ends because it's a basic plan, so if it ends, uh, please use the same login ID and password to join again. All right. I got the notification that the meeting will end in 10 minutes. Sometimes if you're lucky enough, Zoom would extend the meeting hours. So if you get disconnected, please log in using the same user ID and password again. Uh, Thank you so much everyone for joining. Okay. Just a few words. I'm a new trader myself. Actually, I started only on October 2020 onwards. So like all the traders who when they start trading, they will be very enthusiastic. They make a lot of mistakes when they see small profits. They would get greed. I've been in all scenarios where I earned good profits, where I lost them all. I've lost half of the capital and everything. So that is where I realized like where I was going wrong. I thought of like holding all my trading, then see how I can improve myself, how I can take it slowly. So I happen to follow so many people in Twitter, like I happen to watch lots of YouTube videos. Then luckily using the hashtag search, I came across this person called Mr. Rajendra Agarwal. So I was very curious actually seeing here about all his trade logics, about he tweet mostly all his trades, whatever trade he's taking in options or in stocks and everything. I see how I mean the results of all the trades. Then I tried to study the logic. I did a lot of back testing of the logic. Then I did a lot of paper trading. I felt so much of confident. I personally, I myself felt that most of his trades, let's say that even at least 7 or 8 or 9 out of 10 trades, right? It's always ends up in good profit. Again, knowing the logic itself, it's not good enough probably. We need to know like how we can understand the logic completely, where we can enter, where we can exit the trades, and where we can keep the stop loss and everything. So when I approached him personally 4 5 months back, he shared his number. We had lots and lots of conversations every day. He helped me to understand more about this SJ logic works. And when I felt this really is a magic, I've been like mostly like literally pestering him like, sir, this is something like for new traders like us, for retailers like us, or people who are in loss, who want to who can like regain their losses and everything. It would be good if you can do a webinar. And he kept postponing it, saying that when the right time comes, let us do. And I hope that today is our first step. uh, Moving forward, like based on the feedbacks we get, we would also try to host more of the seminar. Okay, without any further ado, let me hand it over to Rajendra Agrawal sir, who is in trading since 1992. Probably he can share his experience, and also he can walk us through with the SG level logic, which we are here for. Thank you so much once again, everyone, for joining. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dinesh bhai. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Loud and clear, sir.
Uh, Thanks to everyone. There are 65 members, friends joined this our meeting, and this is very first meeting webinar, and I am so excited that to present this magical logic to the public and friends to unlock its few parameters today also. So before starting this magical logic, I'm sharing my video, small video of my Guruji Prem Rawat ji. So let us start with this video. Dinesh bhai, you are disabled to
Share
screen
screen.
sharing.
Okay, 1 second, sir.
Or you can also share this screen video.
Okay, so now you can share the screen, sir. You can see it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Guys, we are trying to have this webinar in English, but at the same time, there will be some conversations where sir might be like walking over is in Hindi. One of my friend Ashish, thank you so much for volunteering to translate. He has also joined. Okay, let's start, sir. We can start the video, sir.
Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Yes, sir. The video is done.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Guys, while he's preparing to share the slides, a reminder again, just in case if the meeting ends due to the time limit, please use the same ID and password to rejoin again. Okay,
So,
sir. Please go ahead, sir.
So again, and also Prem Ravaji to giving me this most valuable chance to help people and mankind with what knowledge I have. So again, thanks everyone. Now starting with our PPT and Dinesh, I want to start the slideshow. How it is possible now?
Sir, you please go down there. Yeah, right side, bottom right.
Bottom right.
Yeah, but there, sir. Yeah, left side, a bit left side, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No,
Yeah, correct, sir. Click on that, sir.
the laptop is slow, so slow.
No worries, sir.
Again, that small size.
I can share the screen, sir. You can stop sharing it.
Oh, sure. Yeah, okay.
I hope all can see my screen now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
This is better. To all the things.
Okay, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
So again, welcome to all friends in this magical live AGL logic. Before that, what I'm doing now for the friends, my aim and my working is for the friends for the wealth, health, and pieces. Wealth, share market. First slide. Wealth, it is from share market, and health from the many tweets and helping for the people in the hospital and their health logic also. And last one is a peace. Peace from Prem Raoji gifted me a knowledge to go inside and to experience that peace which is already inside. And that inside peace is very much thirsty to experience by that human body. But before that, I have to say that before 200 years back, it was peace, health, and money. Because that time peace is a more important priority than health and then money. Now the picture is changed. Now it is wealth. Money is first. Without money, you can't do anything. Then health and peace is last priority now. आदमी बोलते हैं कि भूखा पेट क्या भजन करेगा, तो उसके लिए उसके पहले खाने पीने के लिए पैसा चाहिए. पैसा मिलेगा तो खाना पीना करेगा. तो if he eats properly, then his health will be proper, and then he will think about the peace. Now next slide. Dinesh bhai, next. SG level and SCG level. I think something is missing, sir. SG level and SCG level. SG level means safeguard level, which is safeguard. We call it as safeguard. Everywhere we use generally safeguard. While driving the car, there is a
Sorry guys for that. This was expected. I was hoping that we would be lucky to have an extension. We didn't get it. Okay, so I'm just waiting for Sir to rejoin again. Let's just give a minute, please. Sir, are you there already? I don't see you yet.
hello, Dinesh. I can't hear you.
Sorry, sir. I was on mute. Please go ahead, sir. Please go ahead, sir. You can start.
Can I start now again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir. Please.
So SG level means safeguard level, which is safety for trading. As like driving the car, we have seat belt. In beach, there is a safeguard. In flight also, there is safety belt. Everything, whatever we are doing, we are using some safety. For the market, there is also for some people using the stop loss and other things for the safeguard. So SG level means safeguard level, and for that we use super SG level. Super SG means SSG. SSG, what it does, SSG, shows the direction of the market. And for that, we using this logic that SG level, super SG level, which is always above the SG level when market is bullish. The time frame is different. If you are trading in intraday, you use 5-minute chart. And later I will tell about this. And if you are doing positional trade, we use 60-minute chart. So time frame is different. For now, it is a logic that whenever we start trading, whether it is 5-minute or 60-minute, if SSG level is above the SG level, then the pattern trend is bullish. We have to buy or we have to trade in call. Second pattern, that when SSG level is below the SG level, then it is bearish. We have to buy put or we have to short, sell intraday or whatever your time frame. Next, how to identify the trend change? We need crossovers of live SG level and super SG level as per the time frame of the chart candle. Just I told previous that 5-minute and 60-minute. 5-minute we use for the intraday and 60-minute for the positional. So whatever SG level, suppose SG level is 120 and super SG is 108, then it is bearish. So it goes to SG is 110 and super SG goes to 111. So it is properly crossover, then it is trend change from bearish to bullish trend. But many times what happen, both are same, only a few point difference, just like SG is 110 and super SG is 980 or 110.20. So that is probably no trade zone. If there is a no trade zone, wait for some time to get proper difference in that SG level and super SG level. And to identify, to confirm that, we use 3 more indicators, which are only for the supporting, and they must support, confirm us our trade change formula of the SSG and SG level crossover. So many candles, if you see the market, one candle change any indicator, but our SG level and super SG level, one candle cannot change anytime, cannot change, because when I tweet many times intraday SG level, there is a minimal difference of 2-3 points, because I have to tweet very speedily, because that time crossover is going to happen, and that time I tweet about the whatever speed trade or hero or zero trade or whatever maybe. So to identify trend is very easy, and it is I think I can say the word that it is very like drinking pure water. So just we have to get pure water, then we can drink it very easily. Like that, if you know the SG level and super SG level, your trend is fixed. Is it bullish or bearish? Then we have 3 more indicators which will confirm that crossover is done, but we don't have to do hurry to grab that trade. We have to wait, and that if we get confirmed from that 3 indicators, then we have to go for the trade. Few days back, I tweeted about the one indicator. Later we will talk about that. Dinesh bhai, next. Just I told about that candle time frame. We use 5-minute candle for intraday. We use 60-minute candle for positional, and we use day candle for investment 3 to 6 months. Now the simple logic is there. Why we use 5-minute for intraday, 60-minute for candle for positional, and day candle for 3 to 6 months. It is not useful for intraday and 4-5 days while we are trading in the options. So day candle, we have to forget about this day candle. We have to focus on 5-minute candle and 60-minute candles. Now, why we are doing this? Because the speed of our economy and our progress and everything is changed. And so we have to reduce this time from the day candle and weekly candle to 5-minute to 60-minute. So later on, there is a slide for special this. We will discuss about that. Dinesh bhai, next. Now everything is fine, but how to trade with HG level? Suppose market open gap up or one candle change all the logic. Then many people, many traders, what they go and rush to make the trade. So that is very risky. So HG level suggests us a proper system. Whenever I tweet day before yesterday that we have to wait 1 hour to come up to minimize the difference between HG level and current price. The live HG level is that level which gives us perfect level to take trade. If price action is far away, more than 0.5% from the HG level, then we have to wait for trading. When gap is less than 5% or 0.5%, then only we do trade. Many times we trade at HG level. This logic maximizes our profit and reduces the loss. Trading near the HG level is the perfect trading level, and exit when it is far away from the live price. So the simple example is that if Nifty opened by 100 and 200 point down and up, the HG level difference from the price may be 150. So 150 is a big difference. That time we don't have to trade. We have to wait that price should go up or down to near the HG level. If the difference is very low, maybe 20 points within the live price and HG level, then we have to trade whatever may be trend. If there is a long trend, we can buy call or buy futures. Simple logic is that we are taking perfect timing, because some traders or operators or whatever may be happen, there may be a news, the market fluctuate very fast. Suppose Tata Steel is trading now 1200, and any news or any operator trading or whatever may be happen, the price change by 20 rupees and the trend is changed. So 20 rupees or 15 rupees is too much high. Our stop loss for intraday is only 0.75%, not more than that. So our logic is that we have to trade with only 0.50%, 0.5%, means 0.5% difference between the HG level and price. So our stop loss reduces near about that. So if suppose Nifty, Tata Steel. Now Tata Steel is trading now at 1200, and something happened, and given the crossover and market down by 20.1180. So not to rush to trade immediately, we have to wait. The difference must be 0.5% of 1200 is, what is the 0.5%? Below 6 rupees different. So we required 1194 to 5 price to make short in Tata Steel. And what will be the stop loss? I will explain in next slide. But our loss is minimized by only 0.5%. So the trade with HG level logic is very beneficial. It reduces the loss, and we get the perfect level. And it give us waiting facility to take trade at perfect level and perfect opportunity. Next. Now the stop loss related to that, how to trade with HG level. Actually, when we tweet on the Twitter, the stop loss like this, stop loss for long trade is support level, and for short sell trade resistance level. Every time I tweet 3 levels, one is SHG level, SG level, and support or resistance level. So support level or resistance level is our stop loss. If the market, if the price trade above or below the support or resistance as per the time frame, if it is intraday, if it trade or candle close above or below the 7 minute, then we have to exit from the trade. This is actually our stop loss system. But how HG level reduce our loss? If the stock or index price start trading opposite our trade means what? If I shorted Tata Steel at 1194, and it is started opposite our trade, means it is trading now 1198 or 1200. So this is trading opposite our trade, and cross SG level with trading above or below SG level more than. Now the more than, before more than, suppose Tata Steel SG level is 1200 and it was trading at 1190. So we have to wait 2-3 rupees to make our short trade. If we started at 1195, so our stop loss will be 1200. The stop loss is 1200 as per the SG level, but as per the this support level and resistance level, the resistance level will be 1218. So stop loss is more than, but what SG level does, if any candle or price started trading above 1200 and stay above more than 7 minutes, then we have to exit from the trade, not to wait till stop loss hit. So our loss is very minimized, that is 5 to 6 rupees only. And when the price dropped by 20 rupees, but we do not trade because the difference between SG level and price is too much. So we wait for the price come to near the SG level or SG level how to come near the price. We traded, and the market price is moving opposite our trade. So we have to exit. But where we have to exit before stop loss, we exit from the market only because of the SG level, and it reduces our loss too much loss reduced. Because look at this logic, our trading at perfect price and we are exiting before the stop loss hit, because SG level gives us a signal the market is going opposite your trade. If somebody if I trade in intraday, I use 5-minute candle. So for intraday it is 7 minutes. Suppose I have taken the option of any stock. Suppose I take put call of CA call option of Tata Steel, and its SG level may be 1200, and yesterday is candle, hourly candle closed below the SG level. So I have to exit from that trade. Why 90 minutes? Because we require one hourly candle to close opposite your trade, above SG or below SG. For positional trade is for 4 to 5 days. And this is not important for us, but how to explain, if somebody have delivery of any stock and want to carry for 5 to 6 months or 8 months or 12 months, whenever price close below the SG level, the SG level will be different from the intraday and positional level. So whenever the day candle SG level close below 2 days continuously, then you have to exit from the delivery. And when buying, the market is down and market is slowly going up, and the SG level crossed, SG level and SG level properly crossed, that indicator is going proper signal, then we can buy the delivery for holding 3 to 6 months or maybe 1 year till not breaking the SG level again downside. So the SG level stop loss is very clear and very best stop loss in the world, that it saves your money very, very, very much, by which you can trade. You cannot, my thinking is that everyone trade with fearless. Whatever we are doing with fearless, that things always goes to win. Just Krishna said to Arjuna that do your work with love, don't worry, you will win. So this is the logic behind this for the stop loss. Dinesh bhai, next. Just before I told that we are using 3 indicators, and about the speed of the market, what the speed is changed, why we are using 5-minute candle or 60-minute candles. About the indicators, many chart indicators introduced in 1970 or 1990, which are useful for long-term investment using day candle chart or weekly candle chart. That time in 1970 or 90 or before 2000, there was no intraday facility or nothing was happening there. Your speed is increased, Dinesh. Dinesh, can you open your video?
Yes, sir. Suddenly, within 5-minute candle,
Uh,
index traded above. That's why the speed increased. So now crossover time.
Now, my language is
Sorry, sir. Couldn't hear you. I think are you on mute? Okay, now we can, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
Are you understanding everything? What I am talking about, and proper flow and proper language and proper English words.
Sir, for me, I'm fine, sir. But I do have some questions coming that
I will check later. Just it is first time, so feedback and everything will be seen. So
Yes, sir.
now to the speed and the indicators.
You can tell Hindi. Sir, is it possible to speak Hindi?
Possible. I will do some work for that Hindi. Just mixing both things at a time. So वहाँ पर अभी
That will be helpful.
yeah, I will try for that because this is first time. So many things are recorded in this thing. So we have to do many things. So we'll try for the in between some Hindi also. Many chart indicators
Yes, sir,
introduced
yes,
in 1990, which are useful for long-term investment and using day candle chart and weekly candle chart. Now the speed is changed and trading done from the mobile, and to match the speed, we introduce our magical live SG level logic. This is more important session for our challenging this SG level and other indicators and many things. अभी देखिए क्या हो रहा है कि जो काफी जगह पर मतलब जो इंडिकेटर्स दिए मैगडी आरएसआई मनी फ्लो स्टॉकेस्टिक्स ऐसे काफी इंडिकेटर्स है जो मार्केट के लिए चार्टिंग के लिए लोग देखते हैं तो उसको 1970 या 1990 के करीब लॉन्च किया गया था बताया गया था तभी लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट होता था इंटरडे ट्रेडिंग वाले कुछ होता नहीं था उस समय तो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए क्या होता है डे कैंडल चार्ट या वीकली कैंडल चार्ट यूज होता है वो होता था तो उसके लिए वो चीजें बहुत बढ़िया थी अभी क्या हुआ है ट्रेडिंग का स्पीड इतना बढ़ गया है पहले हमें 1990 के करीब जैसे मैं ज्वाइन हुआ था 1992 में तो ट्रेडिंग एक्सचेंज के अंदर रिंग में जाके सब सौदे होते थे ट्रेडिंग होता था और उसके बाद जाके कहाँ चीजें बनती थी हमको जो कंपनी का ईयरली रिजल्ट मिलता था वो भी रिजल्ट 3-4 दिन का न्यूज़पेपर में आने के बाद मिलता है अभी स्पीड इतना है कि रिजल्ट आते ही विद इन अ मिनट वी गेट टोटल एनालिसिस आल्सो तो इतना स्पीड बनने के बाद हमको स्पीड मैच करना है अगर मैं इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग के लिए इफ आई see the daily candle chart for the intraday trading that is not useful the stop loss will be far away अगर मेरे को 1 किलोमीटर के लिए दूर जाना है या 10 किलोमीटर के लिए दूर जाना है तो मेरे को प्लेन की जरूरत नहीं है मेरे को ऑटो रिक्शा या खुद का मोटरसाइकिल या कार चलेगा लेकिन अभी क्या हो रहा है कि लोग इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग करते हैं पीपल आर ट्रेडिंग इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग और पोजिशनल ट्रेडिंग फॉर 3-4 days and they are using day candle chart and weekly chart. So it is very risky and stop loss is too much high, profit level is too much low. So chances of loss is very high. To match this speed, one example is also there is one example that before 30-40 years, cricket match is played for 6 days, then it come to 5 days, then it come to 1 day 60 over, then it come to 50 over, then it come to 20 over. The this much speed is increase in everything. So our chart speed should be increased, and that chart speed is changed to the indicator using intraday indicator only 5-minute chart, and for positional we are using 60-minute chart. For that, what happened? Which indicator used for daily candle chart and weekly candle chart? That indicator is not useful for intraday chart, 5-minute candle. And for that reason, we are doing some opposite thing. We will discuss after next slide. So this opposite thing, not now. The opposite thing is that if how operator win the match, or people are says that I do trade and every time I do goes in loss, my stop loss hit and market come again down or up. So what is happening in the market, that all are using one pattern. If market is bullish, all people run for the bullish. Market is bearish, all people run for the bearish. So they using the day candle chart, not the intraday chart. So the first one indicator, we are using three indicators. First indicator, I tweet about 1 month back in Twitter and details also. Now next slide. We use three indicators to support our HG level. One is RSI, which we tweeted 1 month before, and our reading logic is very different comparing the reading logic when it was introduced in 1976. So it itself clear that when it launched before 45 years, correct 45 years, the logic was different, the speed was different. Only rich people are trading in the share market, capital market. Poor people don't, common people don't know anything about the market. So the RSI logic we are using, but our reading is very different. Then second, today I'm opening that hidden indicator. The name is Super Trend. It is very, very simple. It is very, very simple to define the trend, but it gives many, many times wrong signal. Because just I told before 3 slides, one candle can change your RSI, one candle can change your super trend, one candle can change everything, every indicator which is launched in 1970 to 90. Because the speed of this changing that time was very slow. Now the speed is increased, totally increased, volatility is very much increased. In Hindi, I will try for some time. हम अभी 3 इंडिकेटर के साथ काम कर रहे हैं जो एचजी लेवल और सुपर एचजी लेवल को सपोर्ट करते हैं. एक आरएसआई है कि जो 1976 में लॉन्च हुआ था, तो उसका जो रीडिंग था उस समय जो उसको पढ़ने की परिभाषा थी, उसको चेंज करते हुए हमने अलग परिभाषा रखी है, तो वो मैं थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा अभी. और जो सुपर ट्रेंड एक इंडिकेटर है जो बहुत ही साधारण है, बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत बढ़िया है. लेकिन क्या होता है उसके अंदर काफी बार है ना गलत सिग्नल मिलते हैं. तो गलत सिग्नल क्यों मिलते हैं कि मार्केट में जब उठापटक होते हैं या कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं या कुछ न्यूज आती है व्हाटएवर में भी, तो उसमें क्या हो जाता है, एक कैंडल है ना सुपर ट्रेंड को ब्रेक कर सकती है, एक कैंडल आरएसआई को चेंज कर सकती है, या व्हाटएवर इंडिकेटर यूजिंग. सो एचजी लेवल, व्हाट डज द एचजी लेवल, it required proper crossover. There is some calculation, HG and super HG level. If they have done the proper crossover, then we take the support from the RSI and super 10, and third indicator that is hidden, we'll discuss about in next meeting. So what is the RSI logic? RSI logic, when it is launched in 1976, can anyone explain the RSI logic? Dinesh, I want a feedback for this question, that from the audience, anyone can explain the RSI logic which is in the market.
Yeah, sure. I mean,
Yeah, sir.
please go ahead. Anyone, please go ahead.
Yeah, I can share. Like, my name is Akshay. Yeah, go ahead, Brody. No issues.
You go ahead, please.
RSI basically, like, it shows what is the at a particular point in the market, what is the at a particular point who are more in bulk. Like, let's say if the RSI value is above 70, then we can say that the sellers are more in the market at that particular point. And if the value is less than 40, then we can say that buyers are more. And then if buyers are more, then we can predict like the market will go on the bullish side, and the opposite way also.
I think the simple way is that in the market, which is introduced in 1976, or using the day candle, the simple logic is that RSI above 70, it is overbought, and RSI below 30, it is oversold. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Dinesh, unmute that person who is talking
Akshay,
now.
Akshay, please go ahead. Akash or Akshay?
Akash, I think.
Yeah.
I think I said it wrong then. Like I thought above 70 is oversold. I'm not
No.
No, Akash, what you said is correct only. But normally they will say that, above 70 is like overbought, below it is oversold. When you have mentioned if it is below 40, buyers will be more. When it is oversold, definitely there will be a buyer. You have put it correct. I mean, the way you put it is different, but the logic understanding is correct.
देखिए आपने क्या कहा है कि जो भी आपने कहा ना, तो हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि मार्केट में क्या सिखाया जाता है, आरएसआई के बारे में क्या बताया जाता है. तो आरएसआई के बारे में क्या बताया गया है मार्केट में, एज पर द डेली डे कैंडल चार्ट, इट इज अबाउट 70, इट इज ओवरबॉट. मतलब इसमें क्या हो गया कि ज्यादा खरीदी हो गई, अभी नीचे आ सकता है. और 30 के नीचे आरएसआई चला गया तो बिकवाली बहुत हो चुकी है, इट इज ओवरसोल्ड, अभी इसके अंदर बाइंग आ सकती है. दिस इज द लॉजिक behind the RSI from 1976 to till now, and people are using this logic for the intraday, and it is totally wrong, because in daily catch and the delivery position, you have no any hurry to reduce your position by square up, intraday square up, like we are doing intraday square up before 320. So delivery system is different, but for intraday or positional trade, we change this logic, and our reading is very simple, and we change this logic that whenever we get the crossover of SG and SHG level, we need to bull side RSI above 60. If any candle, suppose we are trading in a Tata Steel, and the RSI is 1200, and SG level is 1200, and SHG also 1200. Now with the next candle, SG level is 1200 and SHG is 1201. So it is crossover done. Now second, what we watch, what is RSI? That time RSI is 58. Then we have to wait for the RSI breaking. Then we check the super trend. Super trend is bullish or bearish. If it is bullish, okay, we ready our order or many things, and if we get one candle above the 60, then we start our trading, buying the call or buying the future or buying the cash stock. Our logic is that don't trade all at one time. If I want to buy 1000 Tata Steel quantity in cash, so we will buy only 500 quantity there. And one candle which close above the 60 RSI, the second will come to 58 because it is requires a retracement, and that time we will add more and more. So this will make down our average, because SG logic is SG level is far away, means 0.5% gap is there, 6 to 7 rupees. There also we can save 3 to 4 rupees. That 3 to 4 rupees is too much, because my capital is so less. I am trading 1000 quantity. Then super trend is break, and RSI closing about 60 candle, 60 RSI, one candle close about that, and we bought that stock for long side. Then third indicator, which is also comparing like this, but that is not important. If these two indicators give up so proper breakout, then we can go for that. हिंदी में बताता हूँ थोड़ा शॉर्ट में कि हम जो 3 इंडिकेटर यूज करते हैं, उसमें से एक आरएसआई है, एक सुपर ट्रेंड है. आरएसआई के बारे में मैंने पहले 1 महीने पहले ट्वीट करके बताया था कि उसका जो भी रीडिंग है, कैसे है, क्या है. और सुपर ट्रेंड एक बहुत ही सिंपल और साधारण इंडिकेटर है कि जो किसी भी आम आदमी के समझ में तुरंत आ जाता है, और उसमें बहुत सी सारी चीजें होती है, लेकिन उसमें बहुत बार है ना गलत सिग्नल मिल जाते हैं. उसके वजह से मेरा 2015 में बहुत लॉस भी होता. तो इन 2015 आई हैव गॉट बिग लॉस बिकॉज ऑफ ओनली सुपर ट्रेंड. उस दिन से मैंने स्टार्ट किया कि ये जो गलत सिग्नल मिल रहे हैं या रॉन्ग सिग्नल मिल रहे हैं, इसको कैसे हम रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. तो उसके ऊपर मैंने सोचना स्टार्ट किया, और उसको 2 साल लग गए मेरे को इसको बाहर निकालने के लिए. When I lose big amount in 2015, then I started on working to reduce the wrong trade, and result is that magical लाइव एजी लेवल लॉजिक। तो ये तो क्लियर हो गया कि आरएसआई को हम कैसे यूज करते हैं, सुपर टेंड को कैसे यूज करते हैं, आरएसआई हमको कैसे प्रॉपर ट्रेड पे करता है। अभी मान लो हमने ट्रेड ले लिया 1202 पे ट्रेड ले लिया और टाटा स्टील का, सेकेंड उसका प्राइस हो गया 1198, 1198, on that time RSI is 58. Don't worry, it will go up. But in another next candle, that candle closed below the SG level. SG level that time was 1200, and price came down and closed the candle at 1197. But that time support level was 1988. So the gap is about 1200, but one candle closed below the SG level. So we have to decide that we have to exit from the trade. There is only 3 to 4 rupees loss in the stock of 1200 rupees. So it is below 0.5%. Dinesh, it is enough for.
I did not understand. Sorry. Hello, sir. I did not understand. First of all, sir, how do I understand the super? This is a super trend. How we find out this? This is a super trend.
Super trend is a simple indicator. Super trend is a very simple indicator. Any charting system, you will get indicator super trend.
But how is the super trend, sir? I didn't know.
No,
is there any price or ATP or what exactly? I didn't know.
No. Super trend is itself an indicator. There is a formula in the inbuilt in that super trend logic. Just we draw the trend line. The trend line is simple straight line, and the super trend takes the stops. I can say small mountains are made in the chart. If you take the chart, tick charts, plain chart, there is no candle, and you see the market is going up, but with small mountains, and market coming down with the small mountains. So super trend track this up and move, and do the proper trend. The trend line is a trend line, but super trend is more than that because it tracks that small mountains, smaller movement. And as per your time frame, if you are using 1 minute chart, so it is very zigzag. Then you use the 3 minute chart, then more less zigzag. If you are using 5 minute chart, so what candle you are using, that is more important in every trading. Whatever indicator, they are very best. Whichever is the indicator, but your time frame is more important. If you are trading in intraday and using day candle chart, it is not useful. And I am taking delivery for 1 year and tracking on 5 minute chart, that is also not useful. Dinesh? Okay. We will have some.
Okay.
Hi, sir. One quick question. When we use RSI, what is the levels we follow? Is it 60-40?
Yes, sir. It is 60-40. Whatever your time frame is okay. If you are for intraday, it is also 60-40. And for positional 4 or 5 days, or you have bought the stock option, call or put option. That time also we treat that it is valuable for 4 to 5 days. And if the stock price in hourly chart close above the RSI, 1 minute, I am coming back. 1 minute.
Okay, guys, when he's away, right, I think we have only 2 minutes left. So sorry again, I know it's a bit frustrating. If we get disconnected.
I'm back.
Okay, sir. If we get disconnected, please log in again because we are closing the 40 minutes cycle. So please log in again if you get disconnected, guys. Yeah.
RSI, if 60 minute candle close above the RSI, hourly candle close above the 60 RSI, so that time we buy the call option. But for that we require crossover of SC and SSG level. And what happened in that chart, when it goes to 70 RSI, many people who use the 70 hourly candle chart, they start shorting, and that is our winning point. So whatever may be, below 80 or 40 RSI, candle close below 40 RSI, whatever maybe 5 minute or 60 minute. If in intraday it close below the 40, it is sell side. But for that we required crossover.
Okay. And the super trend, is it 10 and 3? That's the value we use?
No, yes, that is a default value. We
10 and 3.
not necessary to change that, because I change many time, taking everything changing as per my mindset, but that is turning in the loss also.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Dinesh, next.
So, sir,
ഇതൊന്ന് നീ പറഞ്ഞേ.
We are going to get disconnected now. Probably we will rejoin, all rejoin again. Then we will go with the next slide and we will continue.
ഇതുകൂടി പറഞ്ഞേ.
All please rejoin. the
3
meeting
2.
as well, yeah? Sir, I can see you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay,
Not
sir.
now. Yeah, now.
Okay,
I have to wait. We have to wait for now. It is 67, and when we are closing, that time was 84.
Yes, sir. Correct. People will join.
Yeah, it will take too much time.
Yeah, okay. We once we hit 70. Okay, we got to 70. Okay, sir. We can proceed, sir. We can go get, sir.
So, take to previous slide.
Previous slide. Okay, sir.
RSI, super trend, and what is the third indicator that we will discuss in next meeting. And that is also not necessary, because these two indicators are enough, and that is simply supporting the system, and everything is doing properly. To match the live SG logic, we change reading logic of two indicators, ST as it is. Means ST, super trend, its logic, whatever they introduce, as it is, we are using, no any change in the parameters and value. For this RSI and the third number indicator, we change the reading, because the reading was that above 70 it is overbought, below 30 it is oversold, but we are trading on different parameter time frame. When it introduced that time, it was using for daily candle chart or weekly candle chart, but now we are using for intraday chart of 5 minute or positional trading for hourly chart. And that time the result is more than 110%. More than 110%. What I am saying that, because many time the price after crossover also many time the price returned from the RSI of 60, one candle closed at 659, and then market came down very fast. So it saves us for many losses. So loss saving is 10 to 20%, and 90% it is big profit. So it is 110%. So
we'll go with the next one, sir, and probably in another 5 minutes we have to open for questions for from everyone.
yeah, sir. Now last. Well, I think everything is completed my end, but now looking forward for my vision, my mission, what I am doing. First, I told that I am doing best for my friends, wealth, money, health, and peace. And what is our mission? What I'm doing? Why are doing here? I'm not charging anyone. I am not taking any class, and nothing is there, because we are working for all world people to understand the change speed of the market. The market change, market speed is itself changed. When we are driving the car, if there is a traffic, the car speed is 10, 20 or 30 kilometers per hour. but at the open road, we get it above 100 or 10. So the speed change as per the situation. Now the situation is changed. Market, all the speed is increased. Everywhere there is a smart work, smart thinking. Many companies, many companies, they don't have any factory, any go down, nothing is there, but their volume is too much volume, too much earning. Why? Because they are using technology. They have changed their self. Look at the Nokia company, Yahoo, now Google. Many examples are there, but everyone know about this. So the change speed of the market, to educate, to understand, to make understand everyone about this change, share market trader can find him the share market trader can find himself market trend with the help of magical live level logic. So the trader who trade in the share market, everyone is depend on tips and looking another people give me tips and trading with other people's advice and TV channel is not bad, but just I'm saying that they are taking information from other and not using the chart study, what is chart saying. Look at the weather forecast office. They don't go open area and see the sky and looking at the cloud and say the people that rain will be there, and they look the chart in the computer, say look the air pressure and many things. When after that they declare that the rainy season and any cyclone is there. Like that, we have to educate ourselves to read the chart properly as per our trading time frame. If we are trading in intraday, we have to use only 5-minute chart. So share market trader, everyone should take his decision that I have to trade this stock intraday or positional, first thing. Second thing, for call option or put option or cash quantity, that all things I have put in one slide, that you have somebody has this much amount, 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. That person have to do only cash trade. If some person have 1 lakh rupees, then you can change his trading system. So everything is there. So we have to change these things of thinking things of the people. We are finding the from what we are doing this, why we are doing this. We need hundreds of proper trading people, traders who understand our trading logic, SG logic. If that person understands the SG logic properly, then he can do everything in the market. Just look at the Dinesh. He understood this logic and everything, asking me daily. We are talking 10 to 15 minutes, many times 1 hour talking at 3 a.m. Everything, he understands everything. I do mistake many times. That time he send me a DM message that, sir, you are doing mistake here, you are doing this and this. So some fighting also there on talking also. But कहते हैं ना, गुरु से शिष्य महान होता है. तो मैं जो भी बताऊँ तो मेरे से ज्यादा दिनेश जानता है कि इसी लॉजिक में ताकत कितनी बड़ी है. तो उन्होंने, दिनेश ने बहुत फोर्स किया मुझे. He forced me to take a Zoom call meeting. From 2 months, he's forcing me, sir, take one meeting, sir, want to take meeting. So it is happened. The logic is, mission is that in India, many clever people are there, but they are not getting proper platform. Look at the reality show of singing show, Indian Idols, and many ground level people come in that platform and take shining. But in share market, there is nothing platform. Then what to do? The logic is that for me, every person, I have to notice these sentences. Every person is a platform of the share market. Every person who is trader goes to the share market, but it required is proper logic. And the logic is SG logic. Is if anybody perform with SG logic, I say that 100% he will shine very too much. तो मेरा मिशन क्या है, मेरा उद्देश्य क्या है, मेरी सोच क्या है कि जितने भी दुनिया के लोग हैं तो उनको है ना ये जो स्पीड चेंज हुआ है दुनिया में, जितना स्पीड चेंज हुआ है उसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए, उससे हिसाब से अपना माहौल और स्पीड बदली करना चाहिए। जैसे भी कोई गाड़ी हम रास्ते में चलाते हैं, भीड़ भाड़ का समय होगा तो उसका 10, 12, 15 किलोमीटर की स्पीड में चलाते हैं, लेकिन वही गाड़ी अगर ओपन में चली गई तो हम क्या करते हैं, उसका स्पीड 100-125 किलोमीटर तक चला जाता है। तो सिचुएशन के हिसाब से हम गाड़ी चेंज करते थे, गाड़ी का स्पीड चेंज करते हैं। तो 40 साल पहले इस मार्केट की सिचुएशन क्या थी, ट्रेडिंग कैसे होता था और अभी का सिचुएशन कैसे है, तो वो हिसाब से हमने स्पीड चेंज करके शेयर मार्केट ट्रेडिंग में इसके सुनने के बजाय हमने खुद के अपने कॉल्स तैयार करने चाहिए। तो कॉल्स तैयार करने के लिए मैंने एक बेसिक तो बता दिया कि RSI कैसे होना चाहिए, सुपर ट्रेंड कैसे होना चाहिए। तो आपको सिर्फ पूछना क्या है, कभी भी पूछो एजी लेवल क्या है, इसका एजी लेवल कैसा है, लॉजिक, तो ये इसमें आराम से आपके ध्यान में आ जाएंगे कि इसका ट्रेंड क्या है। फिर वो 5 मिनट का है, मतलब इंट्राडे का है या पोजिशनल है। तो ये सिंपल सा मिशन है कि हर एक बंदा, हर एक ट्रेडर जो कि ट्रेड मार्केट, शेयर मार्केट में ट्रेडिंग करना चाहता है ना, तो ये
Sorry,
सिंपल
sir.
लॉजिक।
Sorry, sir. Actually, yeah, considering time, right? Probably let's make this small, and people, many of them, they want to see the chart level also. Then we still have open questions also, sir.
So one last 1 minute for the vision in English only. My vision is that in India, population is 135 crore is population. From that, as per latest data and a vaccine report, that 60 crore people have smartphone, and the age group from 18 to 45 age group people is 60 crore. So my vision is that within this 1 or 2 years, there may be 30 crore demat account. Now it is only 4 to 5 crore, and from that 1 crore is only active. So okay for the chat now. I think it will be so hard to, because looking very small. If somebody is watching on the mobile, so it is very small.
No, if they watch on mobile, they can just pinch and zoom, sir. Not a problem.
Okay.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Ask some people, is it easy to explain now or whatever?
Yeah, anyone can pass the feedback. They can see the chart clearly, right?
Yes, it is clearly visible.
Yes, Dinesh, we can see that.
Thanks, guys.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Please go
Yeah,
ahead.
it's clear, clear.
Now there are 3 lines, white line, you can see that, and this is the hourly candle chart of Bank Nifty. So look at the first candle of yesterday, that there are 3 lines. Below line is SSG line, super SG line, middle is SG line, and above is resistance line. So the first candle closed below the SSG level. Yeah, correct. So looking at that level, we are totally in bearish, and this bearishness started before 1 day back, closing below the support level, then it become the resistance level, then closing below SG level, again going above the SG level and coming down. Now we are thinking that they break the SG level, but that day on I think Wednesday, it was just touching this SG level, because that time SG level is higher on Thursday that time. Then second candle you are seeing that green candle. That time market just traded near the SG level and came down. Now the logic of that last the Friday's candle, look at that candle. Never any candle close. This is 5-minute chart. I think. You have done it 5 minutes?
No, sir. 1 minute. 1 second, sir. 1 second. 1 second. Okay. This one. Okay, sir. Please, sir.
Okay. So, no, this is of Nifty. We are talking about the Bank Nifty. One back also. This is 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, now it is okay. So, what is our reading? That there is a difference between the SG and SCG level, and market is coming down. And that time I bought yesterday in morning call option, and that was my mistake. And Dinesh told me that market is a bearish market, why you are buying the call? I told him that just once that market have to touch that SG level, positional edge level. But that not happen. But why I was bullish? Because Nifty was supporting very much and it's closing 3 candles above the intraday edge level. So need some bounce from the market within first 2 hours. But that not happen. And that trade goes opposite of my thinking. But Dinesh was right. He bought some put option and exited from the put in, I think, 60% profit. Is it correct, Dinesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct, sir. Because when I say the market was not trading, it was trading above intraday SG, but it was not breaking a resistance or not closing. And we planned it will go till positional SSG, but it didn't happen. So I bought the PE.
Yeah, but I am not bought PE, and that was my mistake. And the mistake, why that mistake happened? Because I know the edge level logic, everything. But Dinesh understand everything. And I told that before, शिष्य का जो ध्यान होता है ना वो गुरु से ज्यादा होता है, मतलब जो सिखाने वाला उससे ज्यादा ध्यान शिष्य का होता है. तो दिनेश ने बता दिया कि आपकी गलती होगी लेकिन मेरी गलती नहीं है. You have done the mistake, but I am not mistake. So it is best lesson from Dinesh to me. I can do the mistake, but he is not making mistake because we have very much understanding about the edge level, and every time we discuss about the whatever happening in the market. So this is for hourly chart that totally chart showing weakness, and one day it went to up, but it is not trading about the edge level. So next slide for the 5 minutes of the same chart. Now look at this chart. Same chart showing in 5 minutes. Market open, Nifty open gap up, but Bank Nifty on open flat and went up and just traded near the edge level and came down. And came down and closing every day below the edge level, the SSG level, super edge level. So full day for the Bank Nifty, it was bearish market. But Nifty, second chart of Nifty. Next chart, there is Nifty. Yeah, look at this chart of Nifty. First 2 candles close below, but the second candle continuously going up. And the first candle, second candle 11:15 closing, that made high near the edge level. And that was we want in Bank Nifty also. And if that happen, the call price may be double. So this is the reading of the edge level and super edge level for the positional chart. And the next chart now Nifty intraday chart. Now look at this intraday chart. This is the closing level, edge level, super edge level, a positional, not intraday. This is totally in positional level, not intraday. So look at this chart. The market opened gap up, then came down. After going up, trading near the edge level. Super edge level of the intraday positional. I was thinking that it will go near the edge level, and from that it will come down. But before that, it came down. So edge level intraday are different and positional are different. And the contra trade, what we did the contra trade? Contra trade means positional level, positional trend is bearish. Dinesh, is it okay?
Yes,
Hear me.
Yes, sir.
Contra trade, this is very important.
Yes, sir.
Positional trade is bearish and intraday is bullish. And that time we buy the put or sell the stock that is contra trade to the intraday trading. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And opposite of that, if positional chart means hourly chart is bullish and intraday is bearish, but that time we buy the stock or buy the call, that is also contra trade because our main trade is bullish, so we buy the call because market falling near supporting the edge level of position, and from that again market bounce again.
Yes, sir.
So this edge level logic is completed. Everything is completed. If anyone has some questions, you can ask.
Okay, guys, please one by one go ahead.
Sir, first of all,
Please, Akash, go ahead.
First of all, I want to understand how we draw that line. There is three line over there: SG level and SSG level. How do we identify this is the SG level? So is there already there in the indicator in the chart?
No, there is no any indicator about the SG level or SSG level. It is our own calculation of the few candles and have some parameter in the Excels, and that we do continuously. That is feedback given to Excel sheet from the NSE. So no indicator is made for this, and nothing is there. And SG level, it is only we have. Other than us, no one don't know about how to find this SG level.
Guys, like I was saying, right? Yeah, even like even I'm not I don't know like how to find the SG level. The main purpose, right, is like when we can take the trade. Sir, every day in his Twitter, actually he would be tweeting intraday SG level with SSG resistance or support. Same with positional. He would be tweeting it. He would be tweeting. So once we know the intraday SG level, we know whether for that particular time, market is bearish or bullish. So we can take the trade near the SG or SSG. We can partly buy, and we can go with CE or PE based on what intraday is showing. Doesn't mean that morning, if market in intraday, right, it is bearish, we can just wait till market closing, we can have the open trade. No, sometimes, right, market will take U-turn also. So at that time, sir will tweet again that now a market is in no trade zone here, or like probably it is going into bullish, but crossover is pending. Once proper crossover done, also he will give the proper SG level. Okay, for example, if Nifty is now trading at 14,500, okay, morning SG is 14,500, morning our SSG is 14,450, so which means it is bearish. So at the point we can buy our whatever you want in options, right? You can, our futures, you can buy near SSG level, which is 14,440. You can buy put option or you can short. Okay, then you can target is up to you, up to your risk appetite. The stop loss now, right now, let's say market from 14,450 it went to 14,400. Then you see that it is slowly, it is bouncing back and it is coming, it reached 14,500. That is almost near our SG level. So for intraday, we have to wait and see 7 minutes. If it is trading above 14,500, okay, let's say if it is at 14,507, after 7 minutes that particular candle closed above our SG level, that is our stop loss. So we have to close our PE or short trade. Then if market is bouncing back or if it is further going down, then we can again take put or short near the SSG level. If from there market is going up, then SG and SSG crossover needs to be done. Okay, then we will buy call again. Once the proper crossover done, when we have the support level, we will buy call for the intraday at SG or SSG level. Again, the stop loss, right, will be at SG.
One more thing is to clear that some questions are there in chat window.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We never predict the chart because chart not target, because market is moving as per his mood and whatever news may be there. So we do the partly buying and partly booking, because 33% or 40% profit booking is much more than for intraday. If I bought any put option or call option at 30 rupees and 33% is 10 rupees, 12 rupees, if we are getting the profit, we have to book profit partially. If I bought 4 lot, then I have to sell 1 or 2 lot immediately, because partly booking is must in this market. If you are not booking partly booking, so it will miss many chances. So this is when target for contra trade, we have some target also, but chasing the target, it makes many times loss. That I have to say. Again, over to Dinesh.
Yes, guys, any questions from anyone, please go ahead. Just a general information. I understand that some people are in the call for a long time, but if something is not clear, or if you want to have further time, if you want to ask more information, right, in detail, I've shared the Twitter account in chat. You can also tweet anytime. Now open for questions from everyone. Please go ahead, guys.
Why don't you start a Telegram channel?
No, sir, no Telegram, because that is limited, and this Twitter is unlimited. In Telegram, just like this event, who comes in the Telegram, join, that can see the Telegram. But in this Twitter platform, it is very best in the world, and I am very beneficial. Many best friends found here, and very best thing is happening with Twitter. So I like only Twitter. So, and it is totally free. And we have any what will happen in Telegram or any other WhatsApp group? People require totally call, copy and paste it. And I want everyone should educate themselves. Like Dinesh. Dinesh is now able to challenge me. Sir, this is you are doing wrong. Directly he challenge me, and I require this type of traders. So copy paste is not solution for the market. We require proper trader, understanding people, how trade is going to change. He can say his friend that now trend is changed. Now market will go up. Now market trend is changed. Market will go down. Now the stock is going up, going down. This will say only because of the SG level logic, and that makes many things properly. So till now, no any Telegram channel or WhatsApp service, nothing is there.
Guys, from my personal experience, I'm also sharing that, now that you have his Twitter ID, right, just follow, be patient, okay? We, whatever he almost tweets most of his trades, whatever, whether he is taking stock CE, PE, or like, Nifty, Bank Nifty, PE, he would be tweeting. I've observed many people, actually, they simply copy paste. Sir, as he is also trading, right, he knows when to exit. Many times he cannot also share that whether he exited or not. Most of the times he's trying to share his entry point, exit point also. By the time, we wait for him to tweet whether he exited or not, market would have already bounced back. So your entry, your risk, part booking, part buying, or like, if you feel your stop loss is hit, if you want to wait or something, that is up to our own risk appetite only. Okay, don't blindly just copy the trade, because chances are there, right, market will take a U-turn and we might be missing. And now the markets are hugely volatile. Within one 15-minute candle itself, we can see Bank Nifty like giving 200-300 points. So stop loss will hit fast. So you trade as per your risk appetite, and please watch the trade closely. The main understanding about this whole webinar, right, is to understand the SG logic, whether when you can buy PE or when you can buy CE, where you can exit, where you can book partly, where if you want to take positional trade, where you can enter for bigger profit, or even if loss, where you can minimize the loss. So that is the thing. The main logic is to understand SG logic. It will definitely take some weeks or sometimes it may be months to understand. For that, you have to clearly see every day, right? You try to do paper trading first. This is my request. Anyone else have more questions? Please go ahead.
Hi, Dinesh and Raj sir. Thank you very much for your time. I want to know if it is possible you can show an live example, not necessary to be correct, but just let us say we have three SG, super SG, and a resistance level. You can show us at what point you will enter and what point you will close, and what you mean by crossover, if it is possible.
So it is not possible to show live because crossover is crossover. So there is no any indicators software that we can show crossover directly. But at the point, live example is that yesterday, intraday, someone asked me the Tata Steel trend, and immediately I tweet that it is in bearish and go short with the stop loss, and this is the SG level. But that guy have some news channel looking, and they are showing this bullish trend and everything. That person blindly short that position, Tata Steel, and get, I think, 12 rupees or 15 rupees profit. This is a one live example that you can watch the tweet also. And the another is a positional chart that Pidilite. Pidilite is example that Santosh has bought call and asked me what is about this. The positional chart itself showing bullishness, and hourly chart is totally above the SSG level. So whatever result, I don't know, and I don't know about the result date also. But as per the SG level, I told him tomorrow is your day and hold it position. Next day morning, when I was taking breakfast, I saw the result, and I myself I frightened that I did the mistake. I told, but I had not did the mistake, because as per the SG level, I told him that is bullish. That is okay. I don't know about it. In morning, it opened down as per the result, and immediately this below line, the first below line is a SG level line. So the market supported itself SG, and then I DM him that don't worry, this is your day. 1915 to 1920 is today's target. Try to exit that level. Within that time, that went to 1950, 1915, and that Santosh exited that from call position very nicely. Then also my tweet about the Reliance industry. Will Reliance industry support the market? That tweet is also very nice. And when I tweet, that price was 1922 and SG level was 1917, I think. From that level, 20 rupees increased, made high of 1940. And ITC also, when it was trading at 208, that time I tweet about the ITC and it will go up. This is a slide. Will Reliance support the market for 1 hour only? And within that time, now it is 1923 and SG is 1918. So the stop loss is of only 5 rupees, but you are getting 20 rupees profit. That is 1:4 ratio is very, very big ratio. So these many live examples are there, and if there is loss, it is very limited. And you can see the chart, where is the SG level. I try to draw the SG level and many things there. I think, Dinesh, you can find also ITC.
Okay, sir. While I'm finding, maybe others can please ask a question. Again, if we get disconnected, please, if you are enthusiastic, we are fine. We can spend another half an hour also.
Dinesh, I think it is enough for today. Now it is 3:25, almost 1 hour 20 minutes.
Okay,
Because
so only 10 minutes more for the session to close. So we will open for questions. Sir. Please, someone else, please ask the question, sir.
Yeah, I have a question. So basically in the mail, like the example that you have shared, what we can see is like the SSG is below the SG, and you have mentioned the resistance level.
Yeah.
So just in the layman terms, if we like decode it, resistance means like sir is expecting the market to be bearish.
Yeah.
Right. And SSG being below SG level at that particular, like the values what sir has mentioned. So we are expecting the market to be bearish, but at what point we are going to make entry into that trade, like at the SG level or the SSG level?
If there is a fresh crossover, then we have to trade near the SG level, and if it is a second or third level, then we have to wait till SSG level. For example, if Tata Steel yesterday gave us a breakdown in positional chart. Positional chart means it will be bearish for next 4 to 5 days. So that time we have to trade near the SG level because it is a fresh trade. It will go up 20 rupees or 15 rupees. Then we have to buy put option. So it is a very fresh. So in 5-minute chart, how it will define fresh or it is long going on, because yesterday's carryover position comes today, and that shows that continuously it is bearish. So that time we have to trade near SSG level. it will not cross go to the SG level. And for intraday, the difference between SG and SSG is very minimum. It may be 0.5% only. But in positional, it is very big. So while buying the call and put option for the positional, it is if it is a fresh breakdown or breakup, we have to buy near the SG level. And after 2 days, it goes to retracement, then we have to buy at SSG level. It is clear for you, sir?
Yeah. So sir, like what I do is like I need to first of all like check your levels, like check the levels, and then like see the overall trend in the market, like for that particular week on the positional basis. And then like based on what you said, like fresh or it is not fresh, we can like take a call.
No, you will get immediately some. If you ask me the tweet, generally I post that tweet that it is fresh or 2 days upon or 3 days upon. It is better to buy near this, and the difference between the prices SG and SCG is very too much less. Means it is maybe 1%. So within that 1%, what we do partly buying and partly selling. If I want to buy 10 lot or 5 lot of Tata Steel call or put, then I don't go rush and buy immediate 10 lot. We buy a 2 lot, 5 lot, 6 lot partly. And while selling also, we don't sell out at a time because we know the market will readjust again and going up and down. So if we think that the SG level, the market is far away from the SG level, then we exit all position at a time, or depends on the days, how many days are there completed. If 5 days is completed, then we have to exit without any thinking about, because 5 days is the last our time to exit from the trade.
Okay. Like we can do partially that in for this example, we can take the sell call, like we can short sell and within SG and SSG.
Yeah.
Because the difference is very less, so like it won't matter much.
Whatever you do, partly you do with near the SG SCG level. If market is far away from the SG level, then not to trade. You have to book profit that time, and market adjusts itself to the SG level, or SG itself adjusts to the market level, because we required to trade near the SG level. And super SG level is supporting the SG level to define the crossover properly. Main logic is our SG level logic.
So crossover, if possible, can you like define, like explain in just simple layman terms, like by taking some example?
Crossover means look at the crossover. What I can say, because I don't have any indicator logic, just I have calculation. So crossover is that now Tata Steel is trading 1200 rupees, and the SG level is 1198. And super is 196. Now it is bearish market, and his resistance level is 1205. Now what happened? Next day it opened up, and the price is trading 1205 rupees. The SG is changed maybe 1 or 2 rupees, 1199 or 1200. The super SG will also go up, but after 2-3 candle, market will be same, 1205 rupees. Resistance is 1210 rupees, but the SG and SSG price will change there, and that may be same as 1200. After second candle or 2-3 candle, market went up and crossed the resistance level, and that was 1210. What happened there? Crossover is done. Resistance level is broken. Now check the RSI. It is 60 RSI. So everything is bullish, but the SG level is was 1119 before. It was bearish. Now it is 1204 because the calculation and that time SG level is 1206. And now the price.
Just only 1 minute left before as it may close. I understand that some people have asked about certain stocks. So please tweet whatever stock you want, what is the SG level and everything. Sir would help to provide SG level and SSG in Twitter. Based on that, you can see whether market is bearish or bullish, and you can take buy PE or CE accordingly. You all know I have shared in chat box the Twitter ID. Anything, please feel free to let us know. Just in case if it is hanging before hanging soon, I would like to take this moment to thank everyone of you who has joined. Sorry for some technical glitches. We have to log in again. This is our first webinar. We will make sure that next one we would have an uninterrupted session. or probably we will like to share more about SG Logic, like what sir mentioned. If possible, sir also has told me that he would do a live session also, if it is possible. We would see when it is feasible. We have all the emails. We will keep you guys posted also. Any point of time, please feel free to ask us any question in Twitter, or you can so it will help for everyone. At the same time, during this pandemic time, please ensure that you guys stay safe, quarantine if needed. Please take care of yourself, guys. Thank you so much everyone for joining, and sir, really appreciate the time. Whatever questions you have, feedback, please be honest. If it is not clear, please feel free to let us know. You can drop an email, or you can tweet also, sir. Tweet every
1 minute, Dinesh, 1 minute for the next session. We are planning for the how to use option chain, NSE option chain of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and how to use
sorry guys, let's see if he is joining again. Guys, I just spoke to sir. Actually, he is dialing in now. He has also shared that he has time. If you guys have questions also, please feel free to ask. Sir, you were saying something for next session about Nifty future.
the next session. I will try for the option chain. How to use option chain? There is option chain, very best logic available on the NSE side, and how to use that option chain to find proper price for the contra trade or super fast trade hour or hero or zero trade, hero or super hero trade, or some option logic is there while trading before 15 of each month, 1 to 15 date option trading. We have our rule is there that within this time, when we bought the option, the price should not be above 20,000, one lot value. So how to define that value? We can use the option chain, and by just a simple calculation, we can find the proper strike price. So how to do this, and mainly on option, next session will be fully for the option trading.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, some people are still there in the call. If guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask now. Guys,
One more question.
Yeah, please go ahead, Akshay.
Yeah, one more question. Sir, on what basis you define whether to carry over the trade for the next week, like especially on the weekend?
For Nifty or stock option?
Stock options.
Stock option, it is not a weekend question or anything. Stock option is that if we get proper breakdown or breakup in the hourly chart, then whether it is Monday, Tuesday or Friday, not makes any difference. Because my study and analysis and whatever is learning from the market and many tweets also, what happens when the stock goes into any position moving up, because that stock not looking at the market movement, that itself moving up. Look at the Tata Steel stock, many stocks they are moving up while market is coming down. When market is going up, few stocks are coming down. So stock option is the best opportunity in the market to accumulate the fund without any tension. And the period for the stock market stock option is 4 to 5 days. If 5 days over and we are not in profit, we have to exit. But as per the my trading, it takes to 2 or 3 days to develop your money. So stock option buy carryover is no makes sense because it is monthly option, not weekly option. It is risky for Nifty weekly option, which we carry and next day market moving as per our trade, but we are not there, but not increasing option price.
Thank you, sir. Okay, anyone? I think anyone, if you have questions, please feel free to unmute yourself and go ahead.
Dinesh bhai, you probably will mention about the broker SJS online something.
Yeah. That is main point.
Sorry, Hari, I didn't hear. Sorry.
Yeah, I understand, Dinesh, that he is asking about the SS online brokerage we mentioned in the tweet tab. So, so the whatever we are trading, that we require a broker, and the broker should be very properly and minimize our brokerage. And there are many brokers that have a package of monthly brokerage. So we are saving my personal account, and Dinesh also started it, saving more than my earning. Means many times it happens, because if we are paying 10 rupees and 15 rupees per lot, and at any moment we buy on Thursday 10 rupees, 1 rupees and 2 rupees stock option with quantity 10,000, 20,000. So huge amount we are paying to the broker. But with SS online, the price is only 999 plus GST. It is near about 1200 only.
Yeah.
And if you give only 1200 rupees for the stock market, where you can buy or sell anything, options and cash trade, delivery, everything is there. If you want to do commodity trading, crude oil and other commodity, there is also another package of 1200 rupees. And if you want to trade in currency, there is 500 rupees package. So everything is there. Only one, this is not a hidden charge, but is actually charged. They mentioned everything. If you are not able to trade online, then you have to call the support office. They will trade on behalf of you, but that you have to pay 20 rupees as a call and trade charge, and 20 plus GST. So that is very nice. I am dealing with nearly 4 years, and there is no any issue with them transferring fund, and nothing is issued till now. And one more benefit for me is that if somebody want to open an account, they just have to send me their mail ID and PAN card and phone number which they have to register with. So I send that information to the SS line support office. They call back that person, and whatever brokerage generated, they give me some brokerage. But I told them that referral program brokerage, keep it with us, keep it with them, and use for their support system. So now till now 70% join the SS online, and the referral income they keep with them to enjoy their whatever they are enjoying in for the support system. Their whatever staff is there. So anyone next for the question? Now 23 people are in the.
Guys, any questions from anyone?
Yeah, so I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead, Deepak.
So we discussed about 3 things, right? We discussed about SG level, SSG
Yes.
level, and we
Yeah.
again discussed about resistance, right?
Yeah.
So if SG and SSG, that was fine, but what actually meant by resistance? Is it actual resistance we meant? Means price can go till that price? That's what that means?
Why we are using that resistance and support level? Because we need something. Because super trend is a very best instrument in the market, but that gives us some wrong trade. So actually that doesn't change our trade, because we are trading near the SG level and our stop loss is almost SG level. We are trade near the SG level and our stop loss is almost SG level. We are not waiting for the resistance level or support level.
Okay.
That we mention to understand our logic. If someone is looking at the my tweet and what is the SG level, super SG level, and if he get the information about the resistance level, then he understand that this market is bearish. When he find the support level, then he find that this is market is bullish. So we mentioned that few days back, Dinesh also told me that is not necessary to treat resistance level and support level. That is not useful for us. But I told him that for a few days, we have to mention that what is the resistance level or support level, because from that level, many times market moves, because that is best indicator in the market. But before that, we take the decision.
Okay. Okay, fine. So if you know, if the SG level, if the SSG is above SG level and RSI is above 60, then we will go for long, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. And
so,
okay.
yeah.
Yes, if you can do their partly buying at first candle is closed at 60 or 61 RSI or 62 RSI. If you want to buy 100 Reliance, you can buy only 50 there or 25 there, then put order 2-3 rupees or 4 rupees downside. So okay. Partly buying and partly selling is very best instrument. Logic.
Okay. And you actually, usually I have seen in your tweets like 10-15 after 1 hour we will decide how to move. So is there any best logic in that timing?
No. There is a big logic. Our intraday trading starting time is 9:40. Yep. But I do mistake many time and start at 9:30 or 9:25, because the 10:30 or 10:15, 11:15, 12:15, this is hourly candle closing time and starting new candle. That time we get properly hourly trend. What will happen in next 1 hour, and what is hourly resistance and what is hourly candle, SSG level or SG level, and what is in 5-minute candle. Then we see the hourly candle movement, and by that way we understand that market will do something here and there.
Okay.
So just like one example, in normal example, if big people are going any flow, that flow will follow the small people.
Okay.
So hourly trade position, hourly candle is bigger, and that's showing the trend properly. Then it happen in the 5-minute chart also.
Okay, got it, sir.
Yeah, Suraj, please go ahead, Suraj.
Hello.
Yeah, Suraj.
Hello, Suraj bhai.
नमस्ते सर. सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है, मैंने बहुत बार आपसे पूछा भी और हर टाइम हम डिस्कस भी करते हैं कि प्रॉफिट बुकिंग के टाइम कैसे करना है, क्योंकि मेरा हर टाइम आपको भी पता है मैं जब भी प्रॉफिट बुक कर लेता हूँ उसके बाद डबल ट्रिपल चौपल प्रॉफिट मिस हो जाता है मेरा. तो एवरी टाइम जब भी मेरा ये हो जाता है. और दूसरा एक क्वेश्चन है कि जैसे हम लोग वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल है, नॉट 100% ट्रेडर है, ट्रेडिंग पीपल्स है, तो उनके लिए फिर वो प्रॉफिट बुकिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो हर टाइम स्क्रीन के सामने नहीं बैठ सकते और जो भी है उनको एक ही टारगेट वैल्यू के ऊपर काम करना होता है. तो उनके लिए क्या सजेशन है या फिर कैसे उसको वर्क कर सकते हैं इसके?
अभी जैसे आपका ट्रेडिंग होता है, ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग होता है, क्वांटिटी भी काफी होता है, तो उसके लिए क्या है कि आपको क्वांटिटी इतना बड़ा होने के बाद है ना, आपको रिस्क लेना भी बहुत जरूरी होता है, स्टॉप लॉस लगाना भी जरूरी है. एवरीथिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट देयर. और आपका टाइम फ्रेम भी बहुत मतलब फ्लेक्सिबल है. तो इसके लिए कैसे है कि एज पर योर मतलब आपका जो सिचुएशन है उसके हिसाब से आपको हैंडल करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि देखो मार्केट का मूवमेंट है ना डेली अलग होता है, लेकिन जो ऑप्शन का प्राइस कम होना ये उसके टाइम पर ऊपर निर्भर है. जैसे आपने कोई ट्रेड लिया है और 1 घंटा या 2 घंटा वो इसी ट्रेड में जा रहा है, तो उसका ऑटोमेटिक ऑप्शन प्राइस नीचे आ जाता है. प्राइस जो इंडेक्स का प्राइस है वो आपके फेवर में जा रहा है ऊपर या नीचे, लेकिन जो ऑप्शन का प्राइस 2 घंटे की वजह से नीचे रहने की वजह से आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो जाता है, आपका एग्जिट होना पड़ता है। तो इसके लिए आपको एक टाइम फ्रेम फिक्स करना होगा कि जैसे भी जॉब कर रहे हैं या सुबह का टाइम ठीक है या शाम का टाइम ठीक है, तो क्वांटिटी आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि ये क्वांटिटी लिया है और ये इतने बजे तक अगर ट्रेड हुआ, जैसे हमारा गुरुवार का ट्रेड रहता है कि 12 बजे तक जो भी ट्रेड है कंप्लीट करना है, 12 से 15 तक कोई ट्रेड करना नहीं है, तो वो आपको करना पड़ेगा। और कुछ मैंने काफी बार आपसे डिस्कस किया ना, तो एक चीज ध्यान में है कि आपको है ना पार्टली प्रॉफिट बुकिंग इसको सीखना ही पड़ेगा सर, पार्टली बुकिंग है ना, क्योंकि देखो अभी आपने कोई चीज 50 में बाई की है और आपका टारगेट 125 है, 50 में बाई की 125 टारगेट है, 115 तक गए फिर भी आप एग्जिट नहीं है उसके अंदर, और आखिरी में वो 40 रुपीज क्लोज होता है, तब कैरी करते हैं, फिर अगले दिन वो जीरो हो जाता है, इसमें बड़ा लॉस हो जाता है हमारा। इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट अगर हमने 50 में लिया है तो हमारा पार्टली बुकिंग 90 में हो जाएगा, ठीक है कोई दिक्कत नहीं, 90 में गया तो वहां से वापस 125 हो गया, तो ठीक है हमने और 50% 25% बुक किया। फिर पार्टली बुकिंग में क्या होता है कि वो रिट्रेसमेंट में आता ही ना नीचे वापस, तो जो 125 में आपने बेचा तो वापस 90 आ गया, तो आपने तो उतना जो 35 रुपया प्रॉफिट है वो लिया है ना, तो आप 90 में वापस अपना क्वांटिटी बाय कर सकते हैं आप। तो आपका अल्टीमेटली क्या हुआ है कि आपने 125 में बेचा है और वो 90 में लिया है, तो एज इट इज आपका 35 रुपये आपने जेब में रख लिया है, आपका क्वेश्चन एज परफेक्ट प्राइस पे खड़ा है ना वहां पर। मान लो 90 में आपने बेचा, 125 का अभी तक भाव आया नहीं, 90 में आपने 50% बेच दिया या 25%, वहां से वापस 60 रुपीज आ गया, तो आप वापस बाय कर सकते हो, बिकॉज यू नो द स्टॉप लॉस। तो आपको मालूम है स्टॉप लॉस क्या है, तो स्टॉप लॉस और जो ट्रेडिंग प्राइस के बीच में कितने बार, कल का जो मेरा ट्रेड हुआ था 48 में 47 में कुछ से भी कॉल ऑप्शन बाय किया था, 53 गया, 42 आया, 42 में बाय किया, 46 में बेचा, तो काफी बार हम मल्टीपल ट्रेड कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर।
नहीं ये कैसा है सर कि 100% जो ट्रेडिंग कर रहा है, मतलब स्क्रीन के सामने जो बैठ रहा है, फॉर दैट पीपल इट इज वेरी गुड that he can do multiple entries, but the peoples who are not 100% sitting on the screen and he just take the trade with the help of his knowledge or maybe some calculations and his stand is straight. For that peoples, how can they work on that one?
No, for that person also very nice system that many time I told you about this system कि आपको है ना जो आप टारगेट सेट करते हो ना उसको 3 टुकड़े या 2 टुकड़े में करना है, 3 parts और 2 parts, बिकॉज मार्केट कोई भी आदमी जो टारगेट बोलता है, कितना भी टारगेट सही बोलो उतना हिट होता नहीं है, लेकिन हमारा इजी लेवल लॉजिक में ना कितने बार तो परफेक्ट टारगेट हिट होते हैं, बरोबर वहां से मार्केट टर्न ले लेता है। तो जैसे भी बुधवार का जो ट्रेड था हमारा 155 में लिया, 152 में लिया था, 250 का टारगेट बोला था, 252 गया, फिर बाद में 255 में जो कॉल लिया था सुपर फास्ट में 450 टारगेट था, 525 गया था। तो परसों का एक सुपर फास्ट था 72 में लिया था, 66 का स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया हमारा स्टॉप लॉस, लेकिन उसका टारगेट 100 रुपीज बोला था, 95 तक गया था। ये सारी चीजें कैसे है सूरज भाई, ये आपका जो सिचुएशन है कि आप जॉब कर रहे हो और आप उसके अंदर पूरा प्लानिंग नहीं कर सकते, फुल टाइम नहीं दे सकते, तो आपको पार्टली बुकिंग का एक लॉजिक सीखना पड़ेगा। उसमें क्या हो जाएगा, कैपिटल सेफ हो जाएगा। आपने 50 में कोई स्टॉक बाय किया है ना ऑप्शन, तो आपको 33% या 40% प्रॉफिट पे कुछ बुक करना रखना ही पड़ेगा, भले वो बाद में 200% हो जाए, लेकिन आपको कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन बहुत जरूरी है। बहुत सी बार आपका क्या हुआ है कि प्रॉफिट को चेस करते करते ना जितना अमाउंट था वो भी चला गया, हुआ है ना बहुत बार ऐसा।
हाँ, प्रॉफिट को चेस करते करते हैं, लेकिन अभी नए सिस्टम से क्या है कि अभी ये प्रॉफिट एसएल जो सिस्टम हमने सीख लिया है कि जब जितना भी बाय होता है उसके ऊपर जो ब्रोकरेज अपना 2-3 रुपए जाता है उसके ऊपर मैं प्रॉफिट एसएल रख लेता हूँ। अभी जैसा हम जो स्ट्रेटेजी यूज करते थे कि भाई उसके नीचे 5 रुपए या 10 रुपए वो चेंज करके, अभी कैपिटल सेफगार्ड जो हमने बात किया था बहुत बार, वो हिसाब से अभी कैपिटल सेफगार्ड के लिए जहाँ पे भी बाय करते हैं उसके ऊपर अगर मार्केट रन हो गया अपना, तो उसके ऊपर 4-5 रुपए एसएल रख के ट्रेड में बैठे रहते हैं। लेकिन सर हमारा लेकिन प्रॉब्लम, हाँ हमारा प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि वो रिट्रेसमेंट आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो रिट्रेसमेंट के हिसाब से वो एसएल उड़ा देता है, उतना प्रॉफिट मिलता है, लेकिन उसके बाद जो मूवमेंट आ जाता है ना तो वो बहुत बड़ा मूवमेंट होता है। तो आइदर साइड, हाँ आइदर साइड क्या है, एक तो कैपिटल सेफगार्ड भी करना है और प्रॉफिट भी लेना है, वो दोनों चीजों को मैचअप करते टाइम थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी होता है।
उसके लिए कैसे आपका है ना सूरज भाई, वो उसके लिए सिस्टम है, पहाड़ों का सिस्टम होता है ना, स्टेप बाय स्टेप। तो जब आपने जैसे मान लो आपने 50 में लिया है, कोरोना का आवाज यहाँ तक आ रहा है, तो जैसे आपने 50 में कोई ऑप्शन लिया है, 50 में लेना है, उसका 75 भाव गया और फिर बाद में वापस वो 62-63 तक आया था या 45 तक आया था और वहां से वापस चला गया। तो ये जो माउंटेन्स बनते हैं ना छोटे छोटे, उसको आपको देखना है। तो उसको देख के ना उसके नीचे मतलब अपना जैसे जजमेंट से बहुत लोग स्टॉप लगाते हैं ना, स्टॉप लॉस। तो हम ये हफ्ते में मंडे को कि आपको मैं स्टॉप लॉस बताऊंगा कैसे उसको देखना है। तो उसमें वो उसको अगर सुपर 10 भी लगाएंगे ना तो भी काम करेगा उसके अंदर। आपको ऑप्शन में सुपर 10 लगाएंगे तो वो भी काम करता है, लेकिन वो थर्सडे के दिन काम नहीं करेगा, बाकी दिन काम कर सकता है वो।
पर ये मंथ का अभी ऑब्जर्वेशन ऐसा है कि जितने बार भी एसएल जिन्होंने लगाया है वो सब एसएल हैंड हुए हैं जितने भी है वो ये मंथ में। लेकिन मूवमेंट ही ऐसा है कि मतलब स्मॉल रिटेलर के लिए मूवमेंट था ही नहीं, ऐसा दिख रहा था ओवरऑल। क्योंकि जहां जहां पे भी एसएल लगाया है, जितने भी बड़े एसएल लगो या छोटे एसएल लगो, वो हिट कर ही रहा था। प्रॉफिट एसएल भी दे रहा था, ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी एसएल उड़ा रहे थे ऐसे। तो उसमें अपना एसजी लेवल, सॉरी यार डिस्टर्ब किया, उसपे अपना, हाँ उस पे अपना एसजी लेवल कैसे काम कर सकता है उसके लिए?
एसजी लेवल 100% काम कर रहा है इसके ऊपर, स्टॉक प्राइस के ऊपर और इंडेक्स प्राइस के ऊपर। ये ऑप्शन प्राइस कैसे टाइम वाइज डिके होता है ना, वो टाइम क्या करता है, उसको प्राइस प्रीमियम खा लेता है। मेनी टाइम हमने भी बात किया कि जितना जितना टाइम जाएगा ना, तो जैसे बुधवार को 1 घंटा भी लेट हो गया ना तो उसको वैल्यू कम हो जाता है ना उसका। तो उसके वजह से वो प्रीमियम। आज काफी लोगों से मेरी बात हुई, जब काफी लोगों ने बताया कि राइटिंग के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे क्या, तो राइटिंग में बहुत पब्लिक इंटरेस्टेड है। तो राइटिंग करना, ऑप्शन बाइंग करना, ये सारी चीजें डिपेंड्स ऑन है। लेकिन सबसे मैंने आपको ऑप्शन में स्टॉप लॉस लगाना है ना, तो प्रॉपर अपने को सीखना पड़ेगा कि अगर 1 घंटे के बाद अगर हमारा ट्रेड पड़ा रहा तो 1 घंटे में कितना प्राइस कम होने वाला है। तो वो ऑप्शन चेंज बताऊंगा ना, उस समय आपके ध्यान में आ जाएगा कि आज से अगर मार्केट 20 पॉइंट नीचे जाता है तो कितना अपना प्राइस डिके होने वाला है, तो अपने को कितना टाइम लगेगा। तो ऑप्शन चेन के चार्ट देखोगे ना तो आपने उसमें समझ में आ जाएगा। तो फिर थोड़ा आपको स्टॉप लॉस है ना कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा उसको।
ओके सर, थैंक यू
सर।
Guys,
Dinesh bhai?
Yes sir, maybe one last question from anyone.
No, it is 4 o'clock sir, 2 hours.
Okay.
No, because
yes sir.
No, my end is completed for the next meeting, and thanks everyone to joining this meeting and giving me opportunity to express myself about the SG level and market conditions and market speed change. So looking forward for the next meeting and enjoy this.
Thank you so much, sir, for the time. Thanks everyone who has stayed patiently, right? Especially these last 20 participants. I think they are very more passionate. They don't want to leave also. Really appreciate everyone. So next one, we also please tweet your feedback so we can also have a chance to correct ourselves to make the next one better. And please stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rajendra sir.
Okay, bye. Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay, bye. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.